Hi, welcome back again to this channel. And this is gonna be a short video, and I will show you the location of the resistor and the blower motor. So this is a Chevy Express cargo van. It will be similar in most GM, Chevy Express, GM Safaris vehicles. And you open your hood. You can see we're inside the hood, and you'll come here on the passenger side. And on the passenger side, you'll see right here, that's your fan blower motor is right here. And it's usually covered by this container here, the coolant container. So you have to pull this first. If you need to change the motor here, you have to pull the container out. It's a 10mm bolt right here, and it goes right here, 10mm bolt, and this will just pull out. And then the motor here is held by screws. I'll show you the screws. So it's held by these screws here. The size of the socket to remove the screws is here is a 5.5. It's a 5.5 or a 732. 5.5 or 732 is the same thing. So that will open those it's 1, 2 here, and here 2, 3, 4. 4 screws. 4 screws will open the motor blower. And when you open it, this is what you see. When you open this, what you see, that's a motor right there. Motor blower right there. So you can see the holes for the screws. It's 4 screws. You open that, and the motor of the blower, that's the motor of the blower. It comes out. Then I'll show you the resistor is right here. This is the connector for the resistor, and to remove, you just pull this plug up here and pull up like that, and you can see the resistor is right there. So if you need to change the resistor, that's it right there. It's right there. You just open the bolts right here, one here and one on the other side here, and it pulls out. It's an easy job, and it's not expensive. So if your heater, your AC is not blowing cold air or hot air, come check this resistor. If it's damaged, or any of these connectors are burnt out, you need to change it. Or sometimes the wire connector is burnt out too and messed up. You change that too. It's not a big problem. It's not a big job. It's something easy to do. So that's the location of the resistor. You have to pull the connector to see it, and that's the location of your fan motor blower. It's right there, the passenger side of a GMC fan, of a GMC cargo van. It could be from early. It could be from 2000 to up to around 2018. Just check your van, and you most likely see it right there. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, or if you have a comment, or if you have a question again of how to remove it, or how to go about finding it. Let me know there in the comment section. Check our other videos. We have a lot of videos about this van, Chevy Express van. And I'll see you again in the next video. Hope you have a good day. Okay, bye.